the goal of this week's project is to add contacts header and contact CPP to my program so that I would be able to input contact information for any account that I'm going to create. So first of all, what I did is that I started with the contact header and I created it as it's supposed to be. I declared a contact and added an input and a display method to make sure that I'm going to do all these things that I'm supposed to do correctly. So as you can see over here in the right private, I have the street. That is what I'm going to take. The streets, address, city, state, zip code, and a phone number. These are the things that I'm going to input or add to every single account that I have. And inside the contact CPP, I implemented the contact methods that are going to make sure that these are working perfectly as it's supposed to work. I use the ideology of the previous lessons you've taken to make sure that this is working. So everything is working so much and perfectly over here. And when you go to the program CPP, I added all that was supposed to be added. That included the new menu that is going to make sure that this is working, and the menu that I added was the case 9, which is the newest one that is so different from the rest that you've done it previously. So I'm just going to go ahead and show how the code and the program works. So I am running it and everything seems to be loading 4 out of 7. Now it's working. So I will go ahead and start by creating a different account, which is going to be the value 4 because it says that add new account is 4, right? And then it asks me to enter a name. I'll enter my first name and my balance. I'll give myself 500 bucks. Every other option in the menu works over here, but I'm just going to go ahead and show how to add contact informations. First of all, I'll go and display all account information. I can see that I have only one account and there is no contact information attached to this. So if I want to do so, I'll just go ahead and choose the option 9, which is add contact information to an account. And it's going to ask of which account I'm going to use, and the account ID that I have over here is 0. So I'm going to go ahead and enter 0, and it asks of the address that I want to use. So let's say 440 South 2nd Street, and the city is going to be Rexburg, state is going to be ID, and the zip code is going to be 3440. And I'll just add any random number, any random number, and that is everything. So this is basically everything that I selected to be added to my contact information. So once I'm done, it's just going to go ahead and show the menu options again. I'll go ahead and choose one to display all account information, and now you can see that the account information, the first account that I have is for Henry Dinbonda with balance of 500 bucks, and this is the account information that is assigned to this account ID. First of all, you can see that I wasn't having it over here when I displayed it, but right now I have it over here. So basically that is how everything works. The codes are working perfectly well. Everything is functional just like it was last week. I just continue to build upon it, and that is the end of my presentation. Thanks for listening. Bye.